Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we'll know how can we find the surface area of the pyramid. At the first, we need to differentiate between the literal area and the surface area. The literal area defined by the area of all faces. As we said before, the face of the pyramid as a triangle. So to find the surface area, we need to find the area of all of the faces. To find the literal surface area, it will be equals 1 over 2 multiplied by the perimeter of the base multiplied by L. Well, L defined by the slant height. The slant height defined by the height of one face. So the literal surface area defined by half multiplied by the perimeter of the base multiplied by L, where L is the slant height. The slant height is the height of one face. To find the surface area, we just need to find the area of the base and add it to the literal surface area. So the surface area now will be equals the area of the base plus the literal surface area. Or the surface area will be the area of the base plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height. So to find the surface area of any pyramid, number one, we need to identify the base. The base that we have now in the shape of a square. So number one, we need to find the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base equals the side multiplied by 4. So 4 multiplied by 4, the answer will be equals to 16 inch. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base equals the side multiplied by itself, because that's the base as a square. So the answer now will be equal to 16 squared inch. Now we need to find the surface area. The surface area equals the area of the base plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height. So it will be equal. The area of the base is equal to 16 plus half times the perimeter of the base is equal to 16 times the slant height, which equals to 9, which is the height of one face. By multiplying, you will find that half multiplied by 16 multiplied by 9, the answer will be equal to 72. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equals 88 squared inch. In question number 2, we need to find the surface area of the pyramid. Number 1, we need to identify the base. After identifying the base, we need to find the area of the base and the perimeter of the base. The area of the base is given as 111 squared meter. So we know that B is equals to 111 meter square. The perimeter will be equal to the sum of the side length, because the base is a triangle. So it will be 16 plus 16 plus 16. So the perimeter will be equal to 16 multiplied by 3, which equals to 48 meter. We know that the slant height will be equals to 20. That will be the slant height. To find the surface area will be equal to the area of the base plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base multiplied by the slant height. So the answer now will be equal. The area of the base is 111 as given, plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base, which is 48, multiplied by the slant height, which is 20. So it will be equal 111 plus half times 48 times 20. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be 480. 111 plus 480 equals 591, and the unit will be meter square. In question number 3, we need to find the surface area of the pyramid. Now we need to identify the base. The base in the shape of a triangle. So we need to find the perimeter of the triangle and the area of the triangle. So we will draw the triangle outside. The first side of the triangle equals 10, and the second also is equals to 10. The third will be equals to 10. And the height of the triangle will be equals to 8.7. Now we need to find the area of the base. The area of the base equals half multiplied by the length of the base, which is 10, multiplied by the height, which is 8.7. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equals 43.5 squared feet. Now we need to find the perimeter of the triangle. You will find that all of the sides are equal. So we just multiply 10 by 3 to find the answer will be equal to 30 feet. And the slant height. To find the slant height is the height of one face. The height of one face equals to 12. So L is equals now 12. Now we need to find the surface area. The surface area, which is the area of the base, 43.5 plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base, which is 30, multiplied by the slant height, which is 12. Now 43.5 plus half times 30 times 12 equals 180. By adding 43.5 and 180, the answer will be equal to 123.5 squared feet. In question number 4, we need to find the surface area of the pyramid. The pyramid now with the base as a triangle. So we need to identify the base. The side length of the triangle equals to 12, and the second side also is equal to 12. The third side is equal to 12. and the height is equals 10.4. That will be the height of the triangle. 15 will be the slant height. Now we need to find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle equals to half multiplied by the length of the base, which is 12, multiplied by the height, which is 10.4. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equal to 62.4 square meter. To find the perimeter of the base, you will find that all of the sides are equal, so it will be 12 multiplied by 3. The answer will be equal to 36. And the slant height is equal to 15. Now we need to find the surface area. To find the surface area, it will be equal to the area of the base, which is 62.4, plus half multiplied by the perimeter of the base, which is 36, multiplied by the slant height, which is 15. So 62.4 plus half times 36 times 15 equal 270. By adding 62.4 and 270, you will find that the answer will be 332.4 meters squared. In question number 5, we need to find the surface area of the pyramid. At the first, we need to identify the base. If you look at the base, you will find that formed from 4 sides and 4 sides are equal. So it will be at the square. So we need to find the area of the square. The area of the square side multiplied by itself. 6.4 multiplied by 6.4. By multiplying, you will find that the answer will be equals 40.96 square centimeter. Now we need to find the perimeter of the base. The perimeter of the base equal to the side length multiplied by 4. So the answer now will be equal to 25.6 centimeter. The slant height now will be equal to 6.1. Now we need to find the surface area. The surface area equal to the area of the base, which is 40.96, plus half times the area of the base, which is 25.6, multiplied by the slant height, which is 6.1. Now 40.96 plus half times 25.6 times 6.1, the answer will be equals 78.08. By adding, you will find that the answer will be equals 119.04 square centimeter. And that's how can we find the surface area of the squared and triangular pyramid.